Manufactured by Dassault Aviation, the Falcon is a family of business jets designed and assembled in France, with custom-built interiors installed in the United States. Dassault was founded in 1929 by Marcel Bloch, and has grown to have the highest levels of safety, reliability, performance, and efficiency. Whether conducting negotiations or cementing business relationships, nothing beats reaching out to people in person. The excellent non-stop range and special capabilities of Falcon jets to land even at small airports anywhere in the world take you closer to your destination. In this video, I'm sharing my list of the top 3 latest Dassault Falcon jets currently in production, together with their price and features. Watch until the end to see my choice for their best business jet model. This is Aviation Federation, sharing with you news and information about the latest and greatest in aviation and beyond. Starting at number 3 is the Dassault Falcon 6X. More than any other aircraft in its class, this new Falcon offers 30 wide windows with an aggregate of 5,000 square inches of glass. The skylight above, another first in business aviation, highlights the galley room to provide the cabin with more natural light. There is also a mood lighting range that produces different colored lighting to facilitate complementary environments in the interiors. With the widest cabin in its class, this new business jet was mainly designed to comfortably transport highly discerning passengers. The 6X has the largest and widest cross-section of any aircraft explicitly configured as a business jet. The 6X puts passengers in what the airframer calls an ergonomic cocoon, with all of the electronic functions within easy reach, and it has even received an award for its interior design. The baseline price for this model starts at $47 million. Flying at number 2 is the Dassault Falcon 7X. The Falcon 7X has a 5,950 nautical mile range and a brand new wing design that provides a dramatic improvement to its lift-to-drag ratio. A maximum of Mach 0.9 operating number is accessible for the aircraft, allowing faster climbs and descents, as well as low-level dashes on short strips. It is powered by 3 307A Pratt & Whitney Canada engines, each rated with a thrust of 6,400 pounds. The height and width of the Falcon 7X cabin provide a luxurious executive suite with 3 spacious lounge areas. This model is available in several different floor plans, organized into 3 lounges with 12 to 16 seats, enabling you to customize your cabin to your exact requirements. With an interior designed by BMW Design Works, the cabin of your aircraft is guaranteed to be spacious and stylish for all your travel needs. The starting price for this jet is $57.3 million. Finally, soaring at number 1 is the Dassault Falcon 8X. Of all the large cabin private jets on the market, the Falcon 8X alone offers a unique combination of power, flexibility, long range, and silent, spacious comfort. The 8X is up to 20% more fuel efficient than any other airplane in the ultra-long-range class. The majority of the credit goes to Pratt & Whitney's 3 powerful PW307D engines that power the Falcon 8X. Its spacious cabin offers high-speed connectivity, including a cabin SATCOM solution, to ensure non-stop in-flight communications and internet access, even over the oceans. With ergonomically adjustable seats, a full-length wardrobe, stand-up lavatory, full-size galley, and 28 large windows, further ensuring comfort, relaxation, and spectacular views. Passengers can monitor all cabin functions, such as lighting, temperature, and window shades through side-level controls, or an easy-to-use mobile app. This aircraft has a price tag starting at $60 million. What do you think of my list of the top Dassault Falcon private jets? Let me know in the comments section. Leave a thumbs up and share this video so someone else can enjoy it. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe and get notified when I upload new videos. Thank you for watching and fly safe.